Vicon's been around since 1967, one of the oldest camera providers in the industry. We've launched our new camera called NEXT. It helps our integrators be more successful with projects on the installation standpoint because it installs in less than a couple of minutes. It's modular by design, so it helps them not have the wrong product at the installation site. And there's a lot of other features for the end user, the customer it's solving as well. The primary takeaway from an integrator's perspective is really helping their bottom line on all the installations. Every trade in our country has a scarcity for skilled labor, whether it's plumbers, electricians, and even our security industry. So being able to have your projects be profitable and understand what the profitability is going to be because of how easy it is to install. We can do a video teleconference and I can show you a PowerPoint how it works, really touching it and feeling it, see how easy it is to come and put together is really the reason to come by and take 2 minutes to stop by and see us at the booth. Thanks for seeing you guys last year. Look forward to seeing everybody there this year in Texas in June.